Hello, we are the Peaceful Pandas, and this is Songify, your personal AI lyric generator. So what is Songify? It's a natural language processing model that produces lyrics for songs based off data from Taylor Swift, Drake, Coldplay, Ariana Grande, and Rihanna. And this is our lovely team.
I'm Luke Parrish. I'm currently in Calvert, Maryland. I'm a front-end dev, bug fixer, and go-to troubleshooter.
My name is Joshua Lin. I'm from State College, Pennsylvania, and I was a front-end developer and model trainer.
My name is Aryan Patel. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I was a front-end developer and a machine learning trainer.
Hi, I'm Lillian Learned. I grew up in Boston, Mass. I'm a front-end developer and graphic designer.
Hi, my name is Maddox Ganesh. I grew up in Canada, Ontario. I am a front-end developer, back-end developer, and model trainer.
Our use cases and expansions off of this is inspiration of people using this, either growing famous off of it or already famous. User entertainment, people may just use it to play around and see what the program comes up with. And expansions can come off of it if we either change things in it or if famous creators use it and make the site popular.
Okay, so this is our tech stack. This is all the different programs that we use to bring our project to life. First is Pandas, which is a Python library used for working with datasets. It has applications for cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. Next we use is Hugging Face, which is a data science platform that provides tools to build, train, and deploy machine learning models based on open source code and technologies. You can use Hugging Face to talk to other professionals in your field, get more info, and solve machine learning problems. It's also really efficient and runs well with GPT-Neo, which is like crucial for our project. We used Kaggle to find our data set, and it's an online community of data scientists and machine learning engineers. We use Google Colab for the early stages of learning and training our model. It's a product from Google Research that allows users to write and execute arbitrary Python code from just a browser, which makes it really crucial because it's so accessible, and no matter what computer you're using, we can all use it. Next up is Replit, which is like Google Colab in the sense that it is accessible, but we used it to connect our website to our generator, our front end to our back end. It's a software that can run code from many languages from, again, just a browser. And last but not least is GPT-Neo, which is an AI model that can search the web, ask for clarification, and solve programming tasks. But one of the biggest resources that we had was our amazing instructors. Without them listening to our many questions, being patient, and re-explaining things that we've asked them to do a million times, this project wouldn't be as capable as it is, and I can't help but thank them.
For our model, we elected to use GPT-Neo to develop our backend AI due to the accessibility provided by the open source and free model, GPT-Neo's strength in natural language processing applications, and GPT-Neo's compatibility with Hugging Face, which we use to host and execute our model from and connect it with our front-end site. For our data site was found on the data sharing site Kaggle and was a compilation of song lyrics from about a dozen different artists. And from these multitudes of artists, we decided to choose 5 of them: Drake, Ariana Grande, Taylor Swift, Rihanna, and Coldplay to compile and train our model on.
So throughout this entire project and process, we faced a lot of challenges that helped us learn and grow. Initially, we found we were challenged with finding a good quality data set. We wanted to find a data set that had enough data and had them in long portions of text and not just singular lines. So that took us a little bit. And then once we did get a good data set, we wanted it to be clean. So we had to clean it for offensive words, repetitive text, and foreign text, just so our output would be good. Then we had to train our model, and to do this, we had to play around with parameters, and we often face long training times because of this. And then another challenge was some of us even encountered like runtime errors that caused our code to reset, and we had to rerun the entire process. And finally, for the user interface, we needed to push our model to a website, and we did this using HTML and Flask. And we had some errors with the navigation portion of it. So sometimes we would like implement buttons and it wouldn't go to where we needed it to go, as well as image resizing. Sometimes we had some problems with like resizing the images, but in the end, we were able to get a successful website running for you guys.
And this is the front end. So this is officially our website. And as you can see while it loads, this is a website. You haven't seen our process, but you've seen tech stack, meet our team, and use cases. So now I'll show you the generator. So this is our generator right here. So you can put in a prompt like write about love, and you ask it to generate, and this will take a while. So while it does that, I'll show you our process. Now this data set, so this image wasn't originally supposed to do this, but like it still works and it looks well, and it's a good design feature. So I guess you could say it's not a bug, it's a feature. And this is like a description of it all. So this is a training model. Oh, and now the website is finished loading. So this is what we see when we ask it to write about love. This is the lyrics it has produced. And as you can clearly see, like some sentences are intelligible, but it's not meant to produce entire songs. It's merely meant to provide inspiration to the artist so they can finish that particular lyric or line. And it's meant, and as you can clearly see, it does have the capabilities to do that. And it's not a particular writing style because it's an amalgamation of those 5 artists we named previously. So it's sometimes gets a little bit intelligible, but overall it works. And thank you for listening. We are the Peaceful Pandas. If you have any questions, email us at peacefulpandasai.2023@gmail.com. Thank you.